Za Vater Stu. Get the nicest water in all of Germany into your nice pot for the stew. Now all you have to do is put it on the burner. Look at that, all nice and bubbly. Now you must collect the ice from your fridge or nearby lake for the stew, of course. Now get all of the ice in there. Now you must get all the ice in the pot stirred up. Don't be frugal now. Don't be shy to show the ice who is boss around here. Za Vater Stu. Now it is time to pour the stew into the bowl. Don't pour too much now, because too much stew will make you very, very sick. I should know, it happened to me last summer. Now it's time for the ultimate tasters, yeah. Simply delicious.